Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to explain how you can insert a code into your pages on Microsoft Loop, like for example in JavaScript or C++ or Mermaid or any other coding language you use. So let us dive into this. So head over to Microsoft Loop, navigate to Workspace and select the page you would like to edit. So as you can see, I added an example code to that page here as a flowchart, but let me start all over. So let me scroll to the very bottom and enter a new command by entering the command / and then code. Select this option. That is going to give you or create that default box here. So guys, in the next step, select your coding language, and you may do that here in the top right. Like I have no idea how coding works, guys, so I'm only going to select any of these, like C++. And then, guys, you will see these lines here. So here you may enter the given command, like, I don't know, start with a bracket. Let me go with a code like in this case here. So let me just copy that one here by pressing Ctrl+C, and then you may enter the command here and simply fill these brackets with the given value, for example. So simply use the code you would like to insert here, and you may also use these options here, like you may copy the given code, you may expand the given code block, you may insert a new command below, and you may also, for example, go through these display options. But you enter the codes here. As far as I know, guys, as previously mentioned, I have no idea how coding works, but usually you use these brackets and then you enter the value, and you may use also these commands for an action here, and you will see the value basically highlighted in that color here. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.